The Jefferson City plant's been here since 1972, about 50 years, and we've been partners with Ameren over those years as well. And specifically since the Smart Energy Plan was enacted a few years ago, we've seen some growth opportunities. We added a net 60 people last year, and we're looking to add another net 30 people this year.
We produce annually about 100,000 units a year. It's certainly something you can be very proud of. And I think that's part of our culture here is we're very proud to manufacture distribution transformers for Missouri, for Ameren, and for our local customers here in Missouri.
The Smart Energy Plan, it's been a great bill, and it's really impacted our business levels here, and we're really excited and happy to be partnering with Ameren to keep up with the demand that's needed for the state of Missouri.
So the transformers are manufactured in Missouri. Prior to today, we bored in new lines, new cable, and conduit. And today we changed out the old transformer to a larger transformer that will increase reliability throughout this neighborhood.
The Smart Energy Plan has been an absolute game changer for the company of BBC Electric. We went from just around 100 employees, so we have over 200 employees throughout our company. It's enabled us to go out, buy more equipment, buy more tooling. It's just took our company to a whole new level.
Our business is up 25% plus, so we see great development opportunities to bring more people on board to grow our facility, and we certainly look forward to participating in this in the future.
This is another great example of Ameren partnering with other entities around the state that are headquartered in our state, putting people to work as part of this Smart Energy Plan.
The renewal of the plan just allows us to put more smart energy grid investments in across our service territory that will benefit our customers in all communities, more than 500 of them in our state. And we really want to make those benefits available to all of our customers so everybody can see improved reliability, keep downward pressure on electric rates through efficiencies gained, and create jobs in the process.
But we want to make sure that they're able to get this stuff in, make it affordable to our citizens, because electricity, gas, everything they use affects them every day of their life. The legislative side of it, with the legislators I work with, support anything that we can do in Missouri that's going to bring more jobs and help make Missouri stronger.